Hey guys, Cornerzoid here with Hooked on History. Today we're at a permission of ours where we just found that World War I medal recently. And we just dug an Indian. Haven't even cleaned it off yet.
Let me do it.
I never said you could do it. No. Is it beat up or what?
It's on there, man. It's like really, the dirt is like caked.
Okay, you're killing me.
Here, take it. I can't get any of that dirt off.
Okay, so the date's there. Here, can you hold the camera? Just gonna try to get the date quick.
Using the Deus. Deus fast. We've hit this property with the CTX a few times. Normally what we do is we use the Minelabs first, and then the Deus after that. It definitely does pull some targets in the midst of iron without a question, in Deus fast.
Starting to come through. $1893, 92.
Cool.
Older one.
Yep.
It looks pretty nice. It's just under that caked dirt.
All right, guys. See if we can get something here. See you on the next.
Okay guys, so we haven't found one of these in a while. We literally just dug 2-3 inches deep and we pulled out a skeleton key.
That's a nice one.
Oh my god.
That's a better one. That's a
yeah. It was painted white at one time.
Really?
Yeah, it's got like white paint on it.
Wow, that's a nice patina though. I don't know about that, Joe. I'm not sure what we're looking at there. That's nice.
Yeah.
Very, very nice.
So cool. I love finding these. It's an old one too.
Yeah. Yep.
All right.
Doing okay so far.
Yeah.
See you on the next.
Okay guys, so we just dug a signal and we're gonna do a live takeout. It looks like an old buckle. We're almost a foot deep.
Can I take it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
Oh.
It is.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Dude, a shoe buckle.
Look at the designs on that thing.
That is so awesome. This is a 1720's house.
That could be like a 1600s, early 1700s shoe buckle.
Oh man.
Oh my god, that's probably our oldest shoe buckle that we've ever found.
That's the nicest shoe buckle we've ever found, that's
yeah.
for sure. It's not even really bent up at all. It looks great.
Yeah.
Is that designed?
Yeah, very.
Wow. That, my friends, is a great relic. I'm loving the Deus right now. So we really hit this place hard with the Minelabs. That was like a foot deep. I was about to bail on it because usually it's big iron when it's such a nice signal and that deep. I'm like, look at that, Joe.
I know.
Wow, that is freaking cool. Wow.
That's amazing. That's our first like that.
Yeah.
That style.
Yeah. Yep.
So cool.
4 years.
Great relic day. We'll see you guys on the next.